As you know, what was illegal area? There was Latvia, Estonia, and Russia. And usually, if you want to road project, you minimum was 2 partners. Russian partner was ordinary, and if you want to, Estonian and Latvian projects are not illegally, but Estonian, Latvian, or Estonian and Russia and Latvia program was okay. And as you see, there was much interesting from this program. First call get 226 applicants and supported 25 projects only. That means we have lots of ideas and so few money that we can support projects. Okay, and here you see area where what kind territory was supported. Most of Estonia and most of Latvia, but in Russia a little bit. And here you see also dots. Dots are different partners who got money from this program. And here you see South Estonia has a lot of dots, and Latgale region has lots of dots. Middle Estonia, very few. Here is also a table. And as you see, that means if supported only 25 projects, that doesn't mean that only 25 partners get money. There's much more. Usually they have different partners, different countries. And here you see Russian country get most of projects. That was program rules that if you want to road project, you have to Russian partner. Estonia has 41 and Latvia also 41. And here you see Estonian, how they here. South Estonia doesn't mean Võru, Põlva, and Valgamaa. We here try to work that way that money and project come to in our region. And you see Valga and Võrumaa, red dots are leading partners, and green dots are just partners. And Valga and Võrumaa, they don't have leading partners. And here is quite interesting table. I try to analyze or see what happens over 1 million projects. And I try to, for me it was very interesting, how much are applicants, they want to put own money, co-financing. And usually you see all but minimum. Nobody want to put more money. 10% was minimum that they should put money that you were eligible. And only 1%, 11%. Another was 10%. I think it's not good that only all applicants want to put minimum. They have very good ideas, and I think they have to put more money if they want to do nice things. Okay. There is only my ideas, but you have to, in future, to do different. As you see, eligible area was quite large, and money was so few. I think if in future we want to go to, we must much more large scale projects. That mean the decision maker see what is important in this region and they give money there. If we make area smaller, there are possibility that they can much more make small projects. And I think this period was possibility too easy road project, this program. That's say there was lots of weak projects, and there was very hard to work and make decisions what kind of projects are good or not. There are lots of projects, and if you read weak projects, you are tired after that if you need and read good projects. And there was key. All speaker before me is told that too few business projects. Private sector, they don't road project this program. And what we can do that they are in future more active, I think it's only my thinking. There is this program is very hard for private companies in our area. Usually they are small companies, they can't English or not very few, and bureaucracy is very hard here. Public sector is, they know how work bureaucracy, they have people who can write English project, they have money, find partners, but private sector companies, small private companies in border area, they are small companies and they don't have so much resource that they can write project in English, and and bureaucracy is very hard here. And I think if we want to in future here see much more private company project, they can one possibility they can write project in own language, Estonian, Latvian, or Russian language. I think it's one possibility and reduce bureaucracy. And I ask, they also discuss how go to in future make program Estonian Russia or Russia Latvia, or go to that way like was Estonian Latvian Russia. And Union of Valga local governments, they told me they want to that program are like that was. And so if we go to Estonian, Latvia, Rus, in future, mandatory that they have 3 partners, Estonian, Latvian, and Russian, not like today they have only need 2 partners. And last, I think idea that if applicants or leading partner or one partner is from stronger development area, they need partner from areas where not so development. Like I think Tallinn-Riga project are not very good idea, but Riga-Võru, it's very good idea. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.